Islamic apps, finance, and positive digital content. We are living in an age of rapid technological advancement. The internet, mobile applications, artificial intelligence, AI, big data, and blockchain have reshaped how we work, communicate, and even worship. Islam, being a complete code of life, has the flexibility to guide humanity in every era, including this digital age. Today, Muslims are not only adapting to technological changes but also using them as tools to strengthen their faith, perform their religious duties more efficiently, and spread the message of Islam across the globe. This essay will explore the relationship between modern technology and Islam through four main areas: Islamic apps, Islamic finance, cryptocurrency and halal investment, and positive content on social media. 1. Islamic apps and digital facilitation of worship. Qur'an apps. With smartphones in nearly every pocket, the Qur'an has also gone digital. Qur'an apps today provide much more than just the text. They include translations in multiple languages, audio recitations with tajweed help and correct pronunciation. Search functions allow users to instantly find any verse. Repetition features help in memorization. This enables Muslims to stay connected with the Quran anytime, anywhere, whether commuting, at work, or traveling. Prayer timers and trackers. Prayer reminder apps have become extremely popular. Unlike the old printed calendars, these apps use GPS location to determine accurate prayer times and call to prayer, adhan. Some even act as personal trackers, monitoring prayer consistency, sending reminders, and generating weekly or monthly reports. Such tools especially help young Muslims to remain regular in their prayers. Fasting and Hajj apps. During Ramadan, apps provide accurate Sohor and Iftar timings, supplications, and reminders. For Hajj and Umrah, apps offer step-by-step guidance for rituals, including dua collections and maps of holy sites. Thus, smartphones once considered distractions from faith are now becoming tools to strengthen worship and religious commitment. 2. Islamic finance and digital systems. Islamic economics is based on principles of avoiding interest, riba, uncertainty, gharar, and unethical practices. Modern technology has revolutionized finance, raising the question, how can Muslims use these systems while remaining Sharia-compliant? Digital banking and Islamic financial institutions. Many Islamic banks and institutions now provide e-banking and mobile app services. Through them, Muslims can pay zakat and charity online, access Islamic investment funds, apply for interest-free loans, Qardi Hasan or Murabaha. These services combine convenience with Sharia compliance. Cryptocurrency and halal investment. Cryptocurrency has sparked intense debates among scholars. Some declare it impermissible due to high levels of speculation and volatility, lack of government backing and stability. However, other scholars argue that if cryptocurrencies are used transparently, avoid interest-based transactions, and are backed by real assets, like gold-backed crypto, then they may be permissible as halal investment options. In fact, many Islamic fintech companies are now working on Sharia-compliant blockchain projects, giving Muslim investors a safe entry into the digital economy. 3. Social media and positive Islamic content. Risks. Social media has made information accessible but also brought challenges. Wasting time and endless scrolling. Exposure to immoral or harmful content. Heated debates and misinformation. Youth, being the most active users, are especially vulnerable to these dangers. Opportunities. Yet, social media can be transformed into a powerful tool for dawah, spreading Islam, if used positively. Examples include YouTube channels offering short lectures on Quran and Sunnah, Instagram and TikTok Reels delivering motivational reminders in under a minute, Facebook groups and WhatsApp communities conducting online Islamic classes. Practical examples. 1. Daily Quran reflection videos explaining one verse in simple language. 2. Motivational prayer reminders and quotes encouraging regular worship. 3. Videos of charity and humanitarian work inspiring viewers to participate. In this way, the same technology that distracts people from faith can, when used wisely, bring them closer to Islam. 4. Technology and Islamic ethics. Islam doesn't only regulate worship and finance, it provides a comprehensive moral framework. Muslims must uphold Islamic ethics while using modern technology. Key principles include avoiding time wastage. Smartphones and games should not lead to negligence of religious duties. Respecting privacy. Sharing others' photos or personal information without permission is un-Islamic. Avoiding fake news. Islam strictly forbids lying. Spreading unverified news online is sinful. Pursuing knowledge. Technology should be used for learning, research, and spreading goodness. Thus, technology must remain a servant, not a master, in a Muslim's life. 5. The future outlook. Emerging technologies like AI, artificial intelligence, VR, virtual reality, and big data are already being integrated into Islamic practices. AI-powered Qur'an and Hadith search engines make Islamic scholarship faster and more accessible. Virtual reality tools are being used to train pilgrims for Hajj and Umrah rituals. Online fatwa portals provide instant religious guidance worldwide. These innovations show that Islam is not at odds with modernity. Instead, it thrives by engaging with it in meaningful, ethical ways. Conclusion: Islam is a timeless religion that offers guidance not only for the past and present but also for the future. Modern technology, despite its challenges, opens countless opportunities for Muslims. Islamic apps have made Qur'an and worship tools portable and accessible. Islamic finance offers Sharia-compliant alternatives in the digital economy. Cryptocurrency debates are paving the way for halal investment solutions. Social media platforms spread the message of Islam in formats appealing to the younger generation. In short, if technology is used with sincerity and in alignment with Islamic principles, it can strengthen faith, uplift communities, and serve as a powerful means of dawah across the world.